You're falling through darkness, no light, no sound, no ground beneath your feet. Then you hit stone. You open your eyes. You are lying in a dusty street. Above you, the sky is blinding blue. The air smells of olive oil, sweat, and something else. Something metallic. Blood. You sit up. Around you, white marble buildings glow in the afternoon sun. A massive temple crowns a hill in the distance. The Parthenon. You recognize it from pictures, but something is wrong. The statues are painted bright blue, deep red, gold leaf. Not white like in museums, vivid, alive, terrifying. You hear footsteps. A crowd is gathering. Men in linen tunics, women with braided hair, children pointing at your strange clothes. One man steps forward. He's older, with a scar across his face. He speaks. The words are unfamiliar, but the tone is clear. Who are you? Where did you come from? You try to answer. Nothing comes out. You don't speak Greek. You don't even know which century you are in. The scarred man's eyes narrow. He reaches for his belt. There's a knife there. You are in ancient Greece, and you have exactly 3 seconds to decide. Run, fight, or die. This is not a museum. This is not a movie. This is a city where strangers are killed first and questioned never today. We're going to the birthplace of democracy, philosophy, and theater. We're going to Athens at its height. We'll walk where Socrates walked. We'll stand where Pericles spoke. And we'll learn the hardest lesson of all. In ancient Greece, you are nothing. No citizenship, no family, no God protecting you. You are alone, spoiler. It's not the monsters you should fear, it's the people. Let's go. Athens, 450 years before Christ. The Golden Age. Pericles rules, the Parthenon is nearly complete. Democracy is new, fragile, and only for free men born here reject. You're none of those things. The streets are narrow, twisting like a maze designed to trap strangers. Mud, garbage, animal waste. The smell is overwhelming. Urine, rotting food, incense from temples trying to cover it all. You walk past an open doorway. Inside, a man is carving a marble statue. His hands move with practiced precision. Chips of stone fly. He looks up, he sees you. He stops. His eyes follow you down the street. You pass a woman drawing water from a public fountain. She wears a simple linen dress. Her arms are muscular from years of labor. She watches you. Doesn't smile. An old man sits on a stone step, sharpening a knife, running a whetstone along the blade. Scrape, scrape, scrape. He doesn't look up, but his eyes track you sideways. Everyone watches. Everyone knows you don't belong. In Athens, being noticed is dangerous. Being memorable is fatal. You find yourself in the Agora, the marketplace, the heart of Athens. Stalls sell olives, figs, bread, wine, black figure pottery, leather sandals, silver jewelry. Hundreds of people move through the square. Merchants shout. Carts rattle. Children run between legs. You try to blend in. You fail. Your clothes are wrong. Your hair is wrong. The way you stand, hands in pockets, shoulders relaxed. Screams foreigner. In Athens, a foreigner is almost as bad as a slave worse. Maybe. A slave has a master. A foreigner has no one. A group of men approaches. They're wearing short cloaks over their shoulders. Citizens. Free men, the ones who matter. The leader stops in front of you. He's young, handsome, clean-shaven. Except Athenians aren't clean-shaven. Not yet. That comes later. He speaks, you shake your head. He speaks again. Slower. Greek. Ancient Greek. You don't understand a single word. He smiles. It's not a friendly smile. He says something to his friends. They laugh. One spits on the ground near your feet. They walk away. You are still alive. But you know now, they've marked you. You find a corner of the Agora where fewer people pass. You sit against a wall. You try to think. Your time machine is broken. You don't know how to fix it. You don't have tools. You don't have parts. You have nothing. The sun moves across the sky. The shadows grow longer. You haven't eaten in a day. You haven't drunk water since this morning. A woman approaches, older, gray hair, wrinkled face. She's carrying a basket of bread. She stops in front of you. She reaches into her basket, pulls out a small loaf, holds it out. You hesitate. She nods. You take it. She doesn't smile. She doesn't speak. She just turns and walks away. You eat the bread. It's hard, coarse, mixed with barley, the best thing you've ever tasted. Later, you learn that her son died at Marathon. Her husband died at Salamis. She has no one left. She fed you because she knows what it's like to have nothing. In Athens, kindness is rare when it comes. Don't question it. You climb the hill toward the Parthenon. The steps are worn smooth by millions of feet. The marble is warm under your hands. At the top, the city spreads beneath you. The sea glitters in the distance. Ships move like toys on the water. The temple looms above you. Massive columns, painted bright colors, statues of gods and heroes. Athena's everywhere. Athena Promachos. Athena Parthenos. Athena Nike. You feel small, insignificant, like an ant beneath a giant's foot. A priest passes. He's dressed in white robes, a wreath of laurel on his head. He doesn't look at you, doesn't acknowledge you. To him, you're less than dust, and he's right. In Athens, the gods are not metaphors. They are real. They watch, they judge, they punish. You have not made an offering. You have not prayed. You have not thanked them for your survival. They notice. Night falls. The streets grow dark. Torches flicker in bronze holders. Shadows dance on stone walls. You hear music from a house ahead. Lyre, flute, laughter. You approach. The door is open. Inside, men recline on couches, drinking wine from painted cups. Women, courtesans, not wives, serve them. A symposion, a drinking party, where men discuss politics, philosophy, and power. You watch from the doorway. A man notices you. He's older, bearded, with intelligent eyes. He's not drunk like the others. He gestures for you to enter. You shake your head. He gestures again, more insistent. You step inside. The room goes quiet. Everyone stares. The older man speaks. You don't understand, but his tone is calm. He asks a question. You shrug. He tries another language. Ionian, Greek, number. Doric, Greek, number. He tries Persian, number. Finally, in frustration, he speaks a single word in a language you recognize. Aphetopos, anthropos, human. You nod, he smiles. A real smile. He offers you wine. You drink. It's watered, sharp, unlike any wine you've tasted. He asks another question. You can't answer, but he seems satisfied. For tonight, you are safe. Tomorrow, who knows? Morning, you wake in a stable, curled in straw. A donkey stares at you. You stare back. You hear footsteps. A man enters. He's massive, broad shoulders, thick arms, scarred knuckles. He wears a bronze helmet pushed back on his head. A sword hangs at his hip. A hoplite, a citizen soldier. The backbone of Athens' army. He looks at you. His eyes are cold, calculating. He's deciding whether to kill you right now or later. He speaks. One word. Delta on drachma money. You shake your head. No money. He speaks again. Agassiya work. You know. He points to a pile of broken pottery. A donkey cart waits nearby. You understand. Load the cart. You work all morning. Your back aches. Your hands blister. The sun burns your neck. In noon he gives you bread and olives. You eat sitting on the ground, exhausted. He watches you. He doesn't smile, but he doesn't kill you either. For a hoplite, that's practically friendship. The hoplite takes you to the Primix, a hill where the Athenian assembly meets. Thousands of citizens gather. They debate, argue, vote. You stand at the edge, watching. A man speaks about war with Sparta. Another responds about trade with Egypt. They shout. They gesture. They nearly come to blows. A vote is called. The citizens raise their hands. The majority wins. This is democracy. Messy, loud, passionate. You have no vote. You have no voice. You are not a citizen. You are not even a resident. You are a ghost, watching from the shadows. A young man notices you. He's maybe 20 years old, clean-shaven, wearing a simple cloak. He walks over. Xenos. He says, "Foreigner." You nod. He looks you up and down. Your strange clothes, your pale skin, your confused expression. He laughs. Not cruel, genuine. He points to himself. "Klenon," he says. His name. He points to you. You say your name. He nods. Then he walks away. He won't remember you. But for a moment, he saw you as human. In ancient Greece. That's more than most will give. It's the Panathenea, Athens' greatest festival. Every 4 years, the city honors Athena. Processions, sacrifices, athletic competitions. Streets are packed. People wear their finest clothes. Garlands of olive leaves crown their heads. You watch a procession climb the Acropolis. Young women carry baskets. Old men lead oxen to the slaughter. Musicians play pipes and drums at the altar. A priest raises a knife. The ox lows. The knife falls. Blood sprays. The crowd cheers. You look away. You can't watch. Later, meat is distributed to everyone. You receive a piece, roasted over coals. It's tough, gamey. Unlike any beef you've eaten, you eat it anyway. You are grateful. In Athens, meat comes from sacrifice. Sacrifice comes from blood. Blood comes from death. You are part of the cycle now. You've been in Athens for a week. You've learned a few words of Greek, enough to ask for water, for bread, for mercy. But mercy is rare here. Rule 1. Find a patron. Every foreigner needs a proxenos, a citizen who vouches for them. Find one. Serve him. Obey him. He is your shield. Rule 2. Learn Greek quickly. You cannot survive without language. Point at things. Repeat words. Listen to children. They speak simply. Rule 3. Work Athenians despise laziness. Find a job. Load carts. Clean stables. Carry water. Anything. Rule 4. Make offerings. The gods watch. Leave a coin at a shrine. Pour wine on an altar. Burn incense. Show respect. Rule 5. Never, ever draw attention. Do not speak in public. Do not argue with citizens. Do not look at their wives. Do not touch their property. Do these things, and you might live. Break one rule, and you will die. You survived ancient Greece. Barely one. Athens is not a museum. It's a living, breathing, bleeding city. The statues are painted. The streets are filthy. The people are real too. Democracy is only for citizens. You are not a citizen. You have no right. 3. The gods are everywhere. They see you. They judge you. Make offerings. 4. Kindness is rare. When it comes, accept it. Do not question it. 5. You cannot go home. Your time machine is broken. You are here forever. Now, a question. If you ended up in ancient Greece, what would you do first? Run to the Acropolis. Find a patron? Hide in the countryside? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to travel to ancient Persia, smash that like button. Subscribe to WeI Animation. And remember, the past isn't waiting for you to visit. It's waiting to destroy you.